Hi everyone, I am Jeanette Henderson and I am going to give you a quick demo, and by quick I mean like 15 minutes I'm hoping. Quick demo on Canva and how to use it. It does have some really cool features, so I wanted to share because I know if you're out there on social media trying to get a cover photo or post, graphic programs like this are really helpful and it makes it really quick and easy to do. So I'm going to go through and show you some of the really cool features. I'll go over and show you the price plan and then tell you a little bit about how you can save some money if you decide to purchase Canva. There's also though a free version of it, so you don't necessarily have to pay for it. You can always use the free version. Also, I'm going to start. I want to tell you right off the bat that if you see me turning my head, I'm not being rude. I actually did like a checklist. I didn't want to have a script or anything like that, so I did a checklist so I wouldn't forget to tell you stuff about the program. So the first thing I'm going to show you are the different templates. You can use Canva to create logos, business cards. I mean, the list is right here. It breaks it down: social media, personal, business, marketing. You can, all the different. Whoops, I'm sorry. All the different social media networks. You can create posts, and they're already templated. The sizes are templated for you. There are also templates that you can use if you don't feel creative for a day, or you just want to throw something up really quick. You can use one of their templates. You can create invitations, cards, resumes, presentations, websites, business cards, invoices, posters, brochures, newsletters, and there's all kinds of cool stuff you can do here. You can create, t-shirt designs and things like that. You can also, if you have a logo, you can upload your logo here. I'll show you where to do that in a moment. And then over here to the side, any designs that you create are saved right here under all your designs. As you see, I've been using this for a while, so I have several. And then here is the content planner. I'm going to show you how to use this. This lets you go ahead and create posts and link to your Facebook or your Instagram account, and you can send posts up. Okay, and so let me go ahead and show you how we're going to create a design. And you'll go here and you can hit, let's do a Facebook post. But I want you to real quick, let me show you all the different social media posts you can do. So here's a list of all the Facebook. So you can do the cover, your Facebook ads. You can do a Facebook story. You can upload videos to this as well. Again, I'll show you how to do that once we get into the creative design. Let's look at Instagram. Here's all the different things you can do on Instagram. You can create an Instagram story, a post, the same as pretty much. And then I believe that it's Pinterest. You can also add posts to Pinterest or pins on Pinterest. So it's very cool. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to create a design real quick. Well, we're going to do Facebook posts. And so it's going to come up with the exact size for your Facebook post. But if you decide that you want to resize this, so I believe this resizing, this may come with the Pro version, but I'm not sure. They call it magic resizing, so I don't know if that's what this is, because I was watching an old video about it. But there are going to be some features that I'm going to show you that on the free version it may not be accessible for you, but you can always upgrade. It's very inexpensive. So, but the first thing we're going to do is, so let me go through. Here are all the templates, and you can just pull something over here and slap it in and post it up. Or you can, there's different elements and shapes. You can use graphics to create your own. Just throw it in there and create your own image, or if you're creative, feel free to just throw something up here. It is click and drag, so it's really easy to use. Let's see, what do we got here? So you can use this. I mean, there's all kinds of cool stuff that you can use here in the elements. Different sizes, shapes. Here's where you're going to upload your media. You can also record yourself. You can upload videos, audio, if you want to use some audio for your Facebook stories. You can do it there. Here are all images you can upload. I've uploaded tons of images up here. And then they have photos here that you can use if you don't want to upload something or you're just trying to create right from it within here. They have several photos that you can use. Again, I think that this, you get with each tier of what you purchase, you get more photos available to you. And then so you can create a headline. Oops, I went too far. Add a headline in here, sub-headline. You can use these, use these different, what did it say? I'm creating a mess. Sorry. As you can just add right here, add a page, and it comes right underneath it. But you can, add headings, create sayings, add styles to it, different backgrounds. Oh, let me go back to text really quick. There's also all these other different text styles that you can use. So let me go here. So you could, slap a picture of yourself and put I'm feeling cute on it and post it up there. Who's with me? That's a cute post. So you have all these different textiles that you can use, and they're pretty cool. And you can change them. So if you'd rather, instead of saying chill, let's get rid of this field. Instead of saying chill, you can change it and say hello. Straighten it out, stretch it out so it fits. Rearrange it, move it. There you go. So there's all kinds of cool things you can do. I think I showed you this. The different styles with the different text fonts and color schemes that you can use. Or you can just go with a regular background and stick a background on here, and there you go. Or be bolder. So there's all kinds of cool things you can do. You can also, I don't have a lot of Facebook, a lot of images up on my Facebook, but if you click this little Facebook icon, and I think you can get it from where it says more, but it will pull up all pictures, so you can use pictures that you've stored or put on Facebook. So this was my, I'm sorry about that. So there it is. I was at a baseball game, watching a game here, and so I have a picture of that on my Facebook, so you can use that. Let's see, the logos. You can upload your logo here and keep it so that if you want to brand your posts, you can do that. And then you can add other different pixels and things like that, different emojis. There's all kinds of things that you can integrate with Canva. So we'll right now just steal one of these posts, one of these templates. Well, I'm not going to use happy birthday, but let's use this. And I'm going to get rid of this just so that I'm not promoting something I don't know, but I'm going to use this just for our example. So there are a couple things you can do with this now once it's done. First of all, you want to give it a name. So here I'm going to put Facebook beach image, and I'm going to put the date that I'm going to post it. So today is 8/31, not 8/64, 8/31. So I'm going to put that there, and then I can share it, or I can download it. And I always set my download, it's up to you, but I always set mine to JPEG just because it's lighter. And then hit download, and if you have 2 pages, from experience, you can try doing it with clicking the 1 and the 2. I have found that it comes out better if I just do one at a time. So sometimes I'll have 5 different images that I've created, and I will do one at a time to download them. And so I'm going to delete this other page since it's blank, and then we'll hit the download. I'll put it on JPEG, and then I'm going to hit download. Then you can also go over here, so that's downloading, and it'll just be saved to my desktop. That's that. And then you can also, it says schedule this design to your social platform. So you can go over here and you can schedule it now. So we can put it over here in September at, let's say, 8 a.m. And I have to select a channel. So I'm going to select a Facebook page. I don't have my Facebook connected, so if you're like me and you don't have Facebook connected, you simply click on this Connect Facebook. It's going to say connect as who you are. Doesn't have any pages, so I do have a Facebook page, but I don't have, they want you to create, I think this is a, I'm not sure, but you have to create another page. And I have done this, and I will show you how this all works with the other page that I have. But for some reason, I don't have it. I disconnected it on purpose so that I could show you how to connect it. And because of that, now I have to go back and play around to get it reconnected. But for this demo purpose, I didn't feel necessary to do that. So here it is, that this is how you connect. And then let me show you. So I was showing you before how you can go over here and schedule content. Here's the content planner. You would schedule it from the design page that we were just on. And you would go here. So we scheduled, wait, let me look here. We scheduled one for the 4th. Oh, we didn't, because it didn't have the page. But if I had my page connected, it would look like this. It would be here, as you see, I had this scheduled. And let me show you. So here's the actual page that I'm posting to. This is my page. This is actually just a dummy page that I use for these demos and stuff. And I made a mistake for the first time ever. I disconnected it, and now I have to figure out how to get this reconnected, because I can't remember the information for this page right now, and it makes me want to, it's asking me to sign in. But this will then populate here. These were all scheduled. These were all scheduled posts that you see. This is the one we just pulled out. These are all scheduled posts, and it just goes right to my on my posting on my profile here. So, and it's posted here, so you can see that it works, and it's actually a huge time saver. So on Sundays, the object for me is to always get all my posts up so that I can load them up. And I'm not always so good because I don't have a content planner that I've been using regularly, though this is the one that I will be using as time goes on in the future, because it's just so easy. But so it's really that simple. You go in, you create the design. So I'm going to go back. Let's pull our design out. So where was the design I just created? Oh, I don't think it saved, did it? I downloaded it. Yeah, I don't see it here. Let's go back over here. I downloaded it, so it should have been there. Oh, let me refresh. Sorry about that. That's what's wrong. Let me refresh. I always forget this part. Okay, here's my beach image. So, and you see that it was right over there. So I published it to Facebook. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can share it on Pinterest. You can share it on Twitter. You can share it on all these different platforms. And then, you can, if you hit these 3 dots, you can connect to your Facebook page. You can share it, schedule it. So, and that's pretty much it for creating the posts. Here it just gives you some of the features. So you can show rulers, save to folders, version history, make copies. You can also resize it, so if you decide you want to use the same post that you just downloaded and you want to use it with Instagram, you can go ahead and create an Instagram post and it'll copy it and resize it for you. And so that is pretty much the gist of all of it. It's, as you see, it's really it's a very simple tool to use. Let me show you the pricing. So there are two things. The pricing is they have a free account, a pro account, and then an enterprise account. And you can add teams to it. So if you have a VA, you can add them to it and use it. Also, I don't know if you've ever heard of Rakuten, but Rakuten lets you, it offers cash back. And so for Canva, they give you 7.5% cash back when you purchase Canva. So this is just a browser bar plugin that you can get right off of Google. And once you sign up, they'll show you how to do that. And you just hit cash back. And there's nothing left to do. I purchase it. It gives me 7.5% back. But the cool thing about this is that you can also use it on all these other stores. So it's not just, I mean, you can use it at Disney, Lowe's, Wish, Bed Bath & Beyond. Anywhere you shop, you can use this and get cash back. I mean, if you're shopping, you might as well get something for it. So I'm going to include my link to this also probably underneath the video on YouTube and within my emails, just so that if you want to sign up, you can, and share it with your friends, and you can be an affiliate as well with Rakuten. It takes nothing to do, and that's about it. And then that's the whole thing in a nutshell. So I'm gonna say one more thing. Let me show you the settings before I close out. So here's the settings, and it's going to show you. So mine says I'm actually connected to Facebook, but for some reason I'm having some kind of an issue. So I'm going to have to probably ping support to find out what's wrong, because as it says, it shows that I am connected, but it's not letting me post to my timeline. But anyway, the thing about this, if you have any questions, if you need help with anything, if you want me to, give you personal instruction on this, feel free to reach out to me. I'll include my email address also. If this is on YouTube, I will post on YouTube, and I'll also share it with my email list. So if you're on my email, I'll have all the links inside the email. Otherwise, they're below the video on YouTube. So let me know, ping me if you have any questions. Shoot me an email. My email is my real email, so I check it every day. If you send me an email, I absolutely will read it and I will respond to it. So my email is not just a bogus thing. A lot of times you try to email somebody for help or support, and you can't reach them because they never really read that email. It's just to collect all the replies back that they never respond to. I don't do that. I definitely will respond to you. I will help you in any way that I can. So feel free to reach out, and I wish you the best, and I hope that I hope your business is booming. So have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.